They said, Steve, I want you to bring the newspaper to our workout tomorrow. Steve's like, the hell are you talking about? So he comes to the workout. They sit on the bench and read the paper, and they talk about an article. And then Chip goes, Steve, get your shit off, and you're in. And he would go in. He'd run up and down the court 6 times, shoot threes at both ends out of actions that he would get in the game. And then he would go back to the bench, and they'd read the paper, and they'd talk for 4 or 5 more minutes. And then he'd say, Steve, get up. And that's how they would train, exactly what his experience was like in the game. And it's reminded me of the novelty of the substitutions role. And rather than, again, sort of managing it in a way of like not making it a distraction, Steve Kerr's trainer just completely embraced it and said, if this is what it's going to be, then let's figure out how to simulate it and excel in it as much as we possibly can. He ended up playing 2 or 3 more years in the league because of it.